Hey folks, it's Neil Utamsing, pre-construction real estate broker with Toronto Condos. I'm here at the site of the Tridel Presentation Center at Bloor and Islington. I'm looking forward to seeing you all on Saturday for our educational workshop for pre-construction condo buyers. As you know, there's going to be a real estate lawyer here who's going to answer all your questions. Mark Weisletter, a renowned lawyer in the industry. He focuses a lot on pre-construction, so he's a great person to have on your side. There's also going to be a fantastic mortgage specialist, Charles Kornbluth. He's with RBC and does a tremendous amount of business with pre-construction as well. So we're really looking forward to seeing you on Saturday from 10 till 12. Once again, the address is 3326 Bloor Street West. Remember, there's parking on site. There's parking on Bloor. You can take the TTC. It is a 3-minute walk as well. So look forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions beforehand, feel free to send me a text, email, or give me a call. But we'll see you on Saturday, and that's about it for me. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Actually, see you soon. Take care.